Hi everyone, Snow Dawkinson is back and today I will review the Allure Beauty Box. Now, if you are one of those who is hesitating if you should go with this box or not, then you should definitely keep watching this video because I am going to show you what I have inside my box and also my overall experience. If you don't know Allure Box, then let me explain you. This is a monthly beauty subscription where you are getting 6+ products and at least 3 of them are the full size. I personally like this box a lot just because all the products that you will have in your box are chosen by the best editors and the best makeup artists. So they are taking their time and they are trying those products for you, and based on their experience they are creating this nice box for us. So let's open it together. So every single month you are getting this nice brochure where actually they are going to explain you about every single item that you are going to have inside your box. So sometimes it can be a beauty tip and tricks from a very good makeup artist, sometimes it can be a good editor. So definitely when you get this, it's good to read everything carefully because they explain everything. And also you are getting another tip like this. They tell you all the beauty tips and tricks for this month, so definitely it's good to read everything. And let's see my first product. So the first one right here is Cetaphil. So this is a sunscreen. Now, you know, I love sunscreen. I never leave my house without it. I think it's very, very important. So guys, always put it on you. I use it all year long. So I didn't try this one yet. And when it comes to sunscreen, I am very picky. I will try it and I will let you know my feedback about this product. Is SPF 50, which is pretty good. And also you are getting this sheet here where they tell you all the drug facts about it. So this together is good to read. I like the fact that they gave us a sample because it's so small and tiny and you can have it inside your bag, and meantime you can try and see if it works for you. So I definitely look forward to this one. Next we have Wonder. So this is a vitamin C booster. I'm so happy that actually they put this inside because I am running out. So this came in just on time, perfect timing. So I can't wait to try this one. I had a few skincare products from them in the past, and so far I really liked it. So I'm sure this one must be good as well. So this is the second item. Third, we have a full-size lipstick from Josephine. Let's see the color. Okay. Oh, this is a nice red. Nice. This looks like it might dry matte. And I think personally when you are choosing a red lipstick, it's very good to go with matte. So like this, you make sure that everything stays in the place because we know red lipsticks can be a disaster sometimes. But definitely I like this color. It smells nice. Alright, so that was another product. Then we have a sample from Butter. Okay, the Rich Cream. Okay. Guys, if you don't know this cosmetic, then you should definitely go on Google and see it right now because he does a very good stuff. I had some serums in the past from him, and this time they gave us the Rich Cream. So I assume that this cream is good to put at the night, just when you go to sleep. This is what I do usually. All the rich and thick creams, I like to put them on before I go to the bed. During the day, I think those rich creams are not the best because you want to stay away from the oily products and from the shine. So definitely this will be my evening cream, and again, if I like it, I will let you know. And I will give you my feedback on that as well, as I always do. And then we have a sample from Believe. So this is moisturizing eye balm. All right, let's see the texture. Yeah, it's nice. It's blending nice. Yeah, so it's good because it's not greasy. And therefore, I think this one can be good to put during the day. I will definitely try it. Smells nice. Kind of like a plant. I will look later on what are the ingredients. And I'm also happy to try this one on as well. I like all the samples because I think it's important to see and try before you buy the whole box of it. So definitely I want to try that one. Then we have from Rituals this harmonizing foaming shower gel. Okay, I never tried foaming shower gel. I never did. Did you? If yes, let me know. So, smells good. I look forward to try this one as well. They do good stuff. I noticed everything, like all the body lotions, like your skin feels so nice and moisture afterwards. So I'm happy that they put that one here. And the last product we have here, Corks. Oh, I'm not sure if I pronounce it well. Like this. I hope I didn't make a mistake. Let me know. And if I did, I'm sorry. Alright, so this is also a serum and is made in Korea. So definitely we are talking K-beauty. I like the products from Korea. I think they are very affordable. They also feel very nice on your skin, and I always like to try their products, so I'm definitely happy to try this one too. Let's see how it looks like inside. This okay, so this is not a glass, sadly I wish it would. And then yeah, so it's nice and thick. Okay, I will try it, and again I'll let you know how it goes with this one. My box is empty. So here is my feedback. This was my second box and I really like it. I really like what I've got inside my box. Looking at those products right here. Let's say this one, okay, from Wonder. I guarantee you, if you go online and you look the price of this one, it's already more expensive than your monthly subscription, period. So you are not losing any money. And don't forget, this box is chosen by the best makeup artists and editors, so they are taking their time to see the products. I think it's worth it to try it at least for maybe the 3 months, and you know, if you don't like it, you can always unsubscribe. I really like it, so I think you should definitely try it. Let me know in the comments what you think about their box. Anyway, stay tuned for the next video. Till then, stay safe, and I'm going to see you in a few days. Bye guys.